the end of this video, you'll be able to do this in the key of A major, F major, B flat major, or any key in between. This piano accompaniment tutorial utilizes a method of transposing the song to any key that fits your vocal range instantly. The method utilizes the fact that the widths of every white and black keys are the same at the top of the keys, even though they are different widths at the bottom. This means we can transpose our song to any key by shifting the notes played up or down while referencing the tops of the keys. So in this video, I will be using scale degree numbers to reference the chords and notes played, and we'll be using our transposer to help us. Get a piece of paper and place it at the top of your piano keyboard. Starting with C, mark the middle of each white key with the numbers 1 to 7. For this song, we'll also mark the note between 5 and 6 as sharp 5. And the note between 6 and 7 as sharp 6. These numbers represent the scale degree numbers I'll be referencing in my tutorial. Let's begin the tutorial. The verse section is the same as the intro, so let's see how it's played. Note that the numbers are scale degrees. We'll start with the left hand. We'll start by playing scale degree 1 octaves, followed by 3 octaves, and we'll end with 4 octaves. For the intro, we'll play this twice. On the right, we'll start with playing 3 and 5 together. Then we'll play 1. We'll play this 3 times. Then we'll play 5 and 7 together, followed by 1. Then we play 4 and 6 together, followed by 1, and we play this 3 times. Let's play that again. Next, we play 4 and 6 together, followed by sharp 6 and 7, which gives this song its signature sound. Let's play that again. Let's play that with both hands together. Now that we've covered the intro, this is how we transpose a song to our desired key. Let's say this key is too low for my vocal range. I can choose to transpose the song up 2 semitones. I'll move my transposer and place the root on D and play the indicated scale degree numbers like so. Now that you know how to transpose using this method, let's continue with our lesson. For the verse, we'll play what we had learned 3 times in the beginning, and now we'll play the same pattern, except for the last section, we'll play 4 times instead. We'll call this section pattern number 2, and it is played at the end of each verse. That brings us to the pre-chorus. On the left hand, we start from 4 and move our way down. 4, 3, 2, and 1 octaves. On the right hand, we play 4, 6, and 1 together, followed by 1. We play this twice. We play this twice again. Then we play this again, except instead of 1, we play 2. And then we play the same thing with 1 instead of 2. Let's play that again. With both hands together, we have this. The last part of the pre-chorus sounds like this. On the left hand, we play 5 3 times. On the right hand, we play 5 and 7 together, followed by 2. And we play this 3 times. Then we play 5 and 1 together, followed by 2, and end with 5 and 2 played together. With both hands together, it sounds like this. Let's call this section pattern number 3, and it is played for the 3 pre-chorus sections of the song. We arrive at the chorus section, which sounds like this. On the left hand, we have 4, 5, 1, and 3. We play this 3 times. And end with 4, 5, 1. On the right hand, we play 4, 6, and 1 together, followed by 1, and we play this twice. Then we play 5 and 7 together, followed by 2, and we play this twice. Then we play 3, 5, and 1 together, followed by 1, and we play this twice. Then we play sharp 5 and 7 together, followed by 3, and we play sharp 5, 7, and 2 together, followed by 3. We play this 3 times. Finally, we repeat the end by playing 3, 5, and 1 together once. Let's play the chorus with both hands together. This section is pattern number 4, and it is played for the 2 chorus sections of the song. That concludes our tutorial.